we're going to be looking at a complete guide to finite verbs. So, let's get started. A finite verb in English is a type of verb that acts as the main verb in a sentence. The primary function of finite verbs is to show tense, as in they went, person as in I go, and number as in she goes. Some of the examples of finite verbs include go, come, eat, bring, mention, write, speak, learn, say, talk, tell, show, throw, grow, marry, wed, teach, study, confess, agree, argue, watch, and others. Let's discuss in details what is the definition of finite verbs, what are the types of finite verbs, what is the difference between finite and non-finite verbs, how to identify finite verbs in this video. This video covers what is a finite verb, finite verb examples, types of finite verbs in English, difference between finite and non-finite verbs, finite verbs list, finite verbs exercises, and facts or frequently asked questions. Finite verbs definition and meaning. What is a finite verb in English? A finite verb in English is a type of verb that acts as the main verb in a sentence to show tense, number, and person. Finite verbs are compared with non-finite verbs, which are verbs that don't show tense, person, and number. Let's break down the definition of a finite verb in points. A finite verb is the main verb in a sentence. B, a finite verb is also known as main or tensed verb. C, a finite verb is compared with non-finite verbs. D, a finite verb shows tense, number, and person. And E, a finite verb agrees with its subject. A bonus tip to understand finite verbs. Let's now discuss tense, number, and person. A, what is a tense? A tense in English grammar is a form of verb that shows time when an action occurs, as in, I was having a shower then. Having is a finite verb here, as it shows the time when the action of having a shower took place. B, what is number in English?